Hello, how you doing? Gonna make a pasta sauce today, just a simple tomato pasta sauce. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got two regular sized cans, like 400 ml cans of tomatoes. They were a whole plum. I've given them a little squeeze. 2 cups of onion, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons oregano, half a cup of a tomato paste, and then here I've got loads of fresh basil, a cup or so. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got olive oil in there and I've got quite a lot. You can reduce this down if you want, but I find that the olive oil really is essential for this. So I've got in there 5 or 6 tablespoons. We're going to add to that 1 or 2 cups, of onion, the 2 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to add some salt and pepper now. Above medium heat, I'm going to let that go for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, it's cooking down nicely. You're going to get that half a cup of tomato paste in there. A couple of teaspoons of the dried oregano. We're going to cook this just for 3 minutes, stirring all the time. Really beautiful. 2 cans of tomatoes that I've roughly chopped. Like I say, they were a whole plum. Big handful fresh basil, or basil, as many of you call that. We're going to turn the heat down to a simmer now, really low, and you can cook this forever, quite frankly, but we're going to go for 40 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Now, if you wanted, you could put a drop of wine in this or something like that. I'm keeping it just like this. That's beautiful. Check that for salt and pepper. For me, that's a nice, easy, simple tomato sauce for any pasta you want to use. Okay, and there you go. So you can add that to some pasta, or you can maybe, get some chicken cooked and stuff, then add that, a little bit of that, add a bit of cream to it. Entirely up to you. Really sort of versatile and useful. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.